the last 5 years, we've processed well over 500,000 mattresses for WA. I believe that would probably fill the Optus Stadium twice. Soft Landing was awarded Closing the Loop Award at the WasteSorted Awards in 2025. Obviously mattress has been a problem in landfill just by the very nature of what it is. Mattresses in landfill create methane pockets, they don't compact well, and a lot of the steel gets entangled in the vehicles that's going on landfill. So they're actually a problem in themselves at a landfill operational level. And then of course the environmental aspects of dumping them in landfill is a big issue and has been a big issue for many years. So the innovative part of Soft Landing's processing really is the manual deconstruction of mattresses. It really does enable us to separate the recyclable materials such as foam, steel, and to some extent the wood, and that allows us to divert that material into remanufacturing of other materials. I believe the steel springs that we actually send to scrapyards, that is actually turned back into steel mattress springs. Foam actually ends up at Dunlop's factory in New South Wales, and that's remanufactured back into underlay. So Soft Landing, I've estimated there is a quantity of lounges and sofas out there that are actually being directly landfilled is the equivalent to the amount of mattresses that we're actually recycling. This means there's probably well over 100,000 couches that's being landfilled every year in WA. We intend to try and get that 100,000, process them and divert them 100% from landfill.